Hi, welcome to my channel Midjourney. Today topic is AI creative prompts. You can use Google Gemini, these prompts, and ChatGPT and Google AI Studio. Also, you can use any AI chatbot platform. You can utilize this very easy. Now I will tell you. Let us go to the screen. Hi, welcome to back my channel Midjourney. Today topic is AI creative prompts. Now I will show you on screen in with practical but the generate image prompt. Then open this and click here. This is the futuristic AI robot. This glowing blue eyes hologram interfaces. This fantastic class space explorer luxury sports car. Now I will copy this any prompt. This what happened is going this. Practically observe this, then upload this. You are given feedback on new version of the ChatGPT. Response 1, response 2 is coming. Creating image that prompt is there. Image generation file, no problem. You observe this. I prepared this response as otherwise I prepared this response this way. Coming this, utilizing this and create this one. You can apply this, the creating image. It's taken time. This way it's taken this prompt is all the features, and also the last take up this preparation of the image depend on your system speed and system configuration. You observe this. It is created. You observe this. The another topic is I will show you. Then type this prompt, image prompt. You observe this. This preparation is taken time. Some time is taken. Is creating this is first image is better or second image, which image you can take. In this way you can use this prompt is the generating image prompt. After writing the 10 high quality AI image prompts or Midjourney is stable, this 10 prompts is coming. After that I select this and select this. In this we can use multi-purpose, multi-images. If creating your thumbnail YouTube, that is very useful to creators and students also. Thank you. Please subscribe, please share my video or learn channel. Thank you once again.